Is your transmission acting weird, maybe feeling like it is slipping or just refusing to shift gears properly? And now you are staring at a check engine light with the code P076C? Take a deep breath because this is a frustrating situation, but we are going to break it down. That code specifically points to Shift Solenoid H being stuck on. Now, whether you drive a Ford, a Toyota, Ram, or a Honda, your automatic transmission relies on these little solenoids to direct hydraulic fluid to the right clutches and bands at the exact right moment. Think of them as traffic cops inside your gearbox. When the computer, which we call the PCM, tries to command a shift but sees that solenoid H is stuck in the on position, throws this code. You might notice the transmission overheating, catching in gear, or your fuel economy taking a nosedive. In worst-case scenarios, the car goes into limp mode to protect itself. So, what do? Before you panic about needing a new transmission, check the basics. Start with the transmission fluid. Is it low? Is it dirty or smelling burnt? Dirty fluid is the #1 killer of solenoids because tiny debris can jam the valve. If the fluid looks like dark sludge, fluid and filter change might be all you need. If the fluid is clean, we have to look at electrical issues. You'll want to inspect the wiring harness going to the transmission. Look for any wires that are rubbed raw, burnt, chewed up. Corroded connectors are also a common culprit. If you're handy with a digital multimeter, you can check the resistance of the solenoid itself to see if it is within spec. Usually 0 ohms or close to it, but you'll need your specific manual for the exact number. Sometimes it's just a bad solenoid that needs swapping out, or a valve body that needs cleaning. Don't ignore this one because a stuck solenoid can burn out your clutches quickly.